Power through your woodworking and DIY projects with ease. In today's video, we've picked the top 5 best nail gun combines speed, precision, and reliability, making it an essential tool for builders and hobbyists alike. Let's explore the top options built to tackle every task effortlessly. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. DeWalt DCN680B. The DeWalt DCN680B stands out as a reliable, high-performance cordless nail gun built for both professional contractors and serious DIYers. Fully battery-powered, it eliminates the need for compressors, hoses, or gas cartridges, offering true cordless freedom without sacrificing power. Its brushless motor delivers extended runtime and impressive durability, ensuring consistent performance over time. The micro-nose design enhances line of sight, making nail placement more precise, especially on delicate trim or molding. What's particularly convenient is the tool-free depth adjustment, allowing users to countersink nails with accuracy without additional tools. Clearing jams is hassle-free too, thanks to a tool-free jam release mechanism. The multifunctional LED lights not only illuminate dim work areas, but also provide helpful diagnostics for troubleshooting. Users can easily switch between sequential and contact actuation modes using the selectable trigger. A stall release lever ensures quick recovery if the driver blade stalls, keeping projects moving smoothly. The adjustable belt hook adds portability, while the low nail lockout feature prevents dry firing, protecting work surfaces from unintended marks. Altogether, the DeWalt DCN680B is a superb choice for anyone seeking a dependable cordless brad nailer. Number 2. Metabo HPT Framing Nailer. The Metabo HPT Framing Nailer is a powerhouse tool tailored for heavy-duty framing applications, from subflooring and wall sheathing to roof decking and housing construction. This 21-degree plastic collated framing nailer accepts nails from 2 inches up to 3.5 inches, making it highly versatile for different structural tasks. Weighing just 7.5 pounds, it's surprisingly lightweight and well-balanced for a framing nailer, reducing user fatigue during extended use. Its standout feature is the selective actuation switch, which allows quick toggling between sequential and contact nailing modes to suit job site demands. The toolless depth adjustment feature ensures precision, letting you drive nails flush or countersink them effortlessly across different materials. It's engineered for fast-paced environments, offering reliable jam-free performance that keeps projects on schedule. Built with durability in mind, this nailer holds up well under continuous, rigorous use. Its ergonomic handle enhances grip comfort, while the adjustable exhaust port directs air away from the user for added safety. Number 3. Worx Nitro 20V. The Worx Nitro 20V cordless nail gun is a smart choice for DIYers and pros needing cordless versatility paired with reliable nailing power. Powered by innovative Nail Force air impact technology, it secures brad nails up to 2 inches into hardwood with ease, making it ideal for trim work, panel molding, and small baseboards. One of its key advantages is compatibility with Worx PowerShare battery system, allowing users to swap batteries with over 140 other Worx tools and outdoor gear. This nail gun can fire up to 80 nails per minute, providing a rapid, efficient workflow for mid-sized projects. A cordless design means no more wrestling with hoses or compressors, and tool-free jam release ensures you can clear stuck nails quickly to minimize downtime. The anti-ejection safety design prevents nails from flying out during jam clearing, offering an added layer of job site protection. Loading nails is seamless, with a quick load magazine and a low nail indicator to prevent dry firing. The dry fire lockout mechanism adds further protection by stopping firing when the magazine is empty, preserving work surfaces from accidental damage.
Number 4. Craftsman V20 Brad Nailer. The Craftsman V20 Brad Nailer is a practical, well-rounded choice for finish carpentry, trim work, and light woodworking tasks. Its powerful motor is capable of driving up to 420 nails per charge, offering both efficiency and extended runtime from a single battery cycle. What makes this tool especially appealing is its fully cordless design, freeing users from the hassle of compressors, hoses, or costly gas cartridges. It maintains impressive firing consistency across various climate conditions and material types, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. The nailer includes tool-free jam and stall settings for simple, quick adjustments without additional tools, keeping productivity high. Its lightweight build and optimized center of gravity improve balance and control, making it comfortable for extended use without causing wrist strain. The integrated belt hook adds a touch of job site convenience, keeping the tool within easy reach during active projects.
Number 5. KIMO 18-gauge nail gun. The KIMO 18-gauge nail gun is a versatile and feature-packed option designed for both beginner DIYers and seasoned woodworkers. Its adjustable nailing depth control allows for precise depth adjustments without damaging surfaces. Simply turn the top knob to fine-tune. Boasting a rapid firing rate of 180 nails per minute, it's built for efficiency on larger projects. The nailer offers 2 firing modes, single firing for careful, precise placement, and sequential firing for continuous, rapid nailing. This flexibility ensures it's equally suited to delicate tasks and high-volume jobs. Reloading is quick and easy with an accessible magazine that holds up to 100 nails or staples. A thoughtful safety nose pin ensures the nailer only fires when pressed against a surface, preventing accidental shots. The package includes 2 2.0 AH batteries for uninterrupted runtime, with each charge driving up to 1,000 nails. Quick 1-hour charging means less waiting and more working.